Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to play Hollow Knight Silksong with a controller on your PC. And if you've been wondering how to get started, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, the great news, Hollow Knight Silksong natively supports Xbox and PlayStation controllers. So if you already have one, just plug it into your PC and make sure it has power and boom, it should automatically work when you launch the game. Super easy. And you can also check the full controller support right over here. Just go to Silksong or any other game and search for the full controller support. But what if you're using something else, like a Switch controller or a Pro one or even a generic third-party one? Don't worry, Steam has settings to help with that. What you need to do is just open Steam, then click the Steam menu at the top left, right over here. Then you want to go to Settings. Once you click Settings, you want to go to Controller. And here you'll see options for Switch controller, generic controllers, and what you need to do is just toggle this on and off. And if you see that your PlayStation controller isn't working, you can also enable it here manually. Just go ahead and click this drop down and choose enabled. Once that's set, Steam will recognize your controller and map it properly for Hollow Knight Silksong. Now you can enjoy the game with whichever controller you prefer. And that's it. Now you're ready to jump into Silksong with your controller and start exploring. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick gaming guides, and I'll see you in the next one.